In a relational database, a one-to-one relationship exists when a single record in one table is related to just a single record in another table. Although this type of relationship is not used as much as the one-to-many or many-to-many relationships, it's still good to know how it's done. So we'll walk through the steps to create this relationship. In this example, we have a database table for the fleet of company cars and another table for the employees who drive them. You can see the company uses one type of car, so the way to identify who drives which car is to use the license number field. For this demo, let's imagine that each employee is assigned to a single car. But before we start, let's discuss a new term: index. Access indexes the fields in your databases and uses them much like you use book indexes to quickly find information. Indexes are on by default, but you can change their behavior or turn them off. That's important because you create a one-to-one relationship by first creating a one-to-many relationship and then changing the indexes for the key fields in both tables. Let's start by creating the relationship with the help of the lookup wizard. We get values from another table, the company cars table. We want to use the license number field, but we won't bother with a sort order because we're working with a small number of values. Let's hide the key column and call the field company car. In this case, we do not enable referential integrity, probably the only time we do this. This way, if we delete an employee, we don't accidentally delete a car. Select Finish. Now we have a foreign key and an easy way to pick license numbers. Next, make sure you have the fields selected. Then select Fields, then Indexed, and Unique. Now go to the Company Cars table and make sure the primary key is selected. You can see it's also indexed and unique because it's an auto number field. So we're done. If you're in Design View, you can see the indexed property down here in the Field Properties pane. If you open the list for the property, you see 3 values. You can use 2 of these values in a one-to-one relationship, either no or yes, no duplicates. You've now created a one-to-one relationship in your database. If we review the Relationships pane, you can see the relationship is shown as just a plain line without the 1 or infinity symbol, which indicate the one-to-many or many-to-many relationships. You can see that this database now has all 3 types of relationships.